MaxoLash, taking your eyelashes to the next level. Are you sick of having stubby, brittle lashes that don't add anything to your eye's appearance? Your lashes can look fuller with no effort. MaxoLash is unique in its ability to produce longer, stronger, fuller eyelashes. MaxoLash promotes healthier, more natural-looking, fuller lashes and brows. MaxoLash stimulates the follicle cells to encourage new hair growth. MaxoLash conditions lashes and brows and helps shield them from the damaging environmental impacts and breakage. MaxoLash promotes growth even if you apply makeup. After using MaxoLash, you will see MaxoLash will do wonders for your eyebrows. So redefine your look with MaxoLash.